Hello everyone, welcome to Auto Mods. My name is Jay. How's everyone doing? Today I'll be working back on the BMW 330CD. The point of this video is just a quick guide how to check for turbo shaft play. It's quite simple to do, and I'll recommend you guys to do this before you go and have your car remapped. Obviously you don't want your turbo going bang, or if your turbo isn't up to the job, you won't produce the results that you're looking for, and you'll feel pretty disappointed in spending your money. I'm going to crack on with it, and don't forget, at the end of the video I'll see you again, and hopefully you guys can give me a like or click on the subscribe. Right, first thing, take this air intake off. I'll put a screw there just to hold it, backing it down, so I'll take that off. And then there's a clip on this side, or a tag, and push that in, and you just wiggle it and pull it forward, or it should start slot out. You need to take the cover off this. So 5mm hex key. There's here as well, same key. So just need an extension, because there's one right just underneath here where my finger is. There's one here. Don't worry, they won't drop out. They're kind of part of the intake. So it's just this one. That just comes out. There's wires here, and just unhook these from here. I'll show you in a bit, and I'll take it off. And there's another one down here, hooks into, that's it. And then you take the breather pipe off, which just slots off, which is here. Show you. Show you the breather pipe. Okay. So this is the breather pipe here. My hand is. Just take that off there, and again down here. So that's your breather. That's your breather there. Put that down there, and then this is ready to come out. So that just comes off there, and that's it. Your intake pipe is now off, so now you can inspect the turbo. There you go. There is the turbo down there. One is a GT2260V. I'm going to measure diameter, and also I'm going to check now the play in the turbo shaft. So if
if I can get my hand down there, that'd be great. So there's your shaft. So what I want to do is check the play. Now, left and right, up and down. There is a very minimal play in there, so that's good. Then in and out, and in and out, they'll move. So it's just a bit to the sides. I'd say about a mil, if that. I can spin the blades quite freely. So you're gonna see that. See that down there. So it's pretty good, I think. It's a bit of oil there. That's probably from the breather. Turbo's in good condition. I reckon I can put a bit more boost through that, so I can put it all back together. Now putting it back is a bit more trickier. It's a reverse of what's. Yeah. There you go. That's it. Some those wires in. Goes down there. Put that one in there. Down there. Through the pipe on. Escape. 5 mil. That. That's on there, that's on there, that's on there. Big pipe's on there, that's clicked in. It's fine. That'll be on there. And that's from last time, the mod that I did. So put in there, it's an air scoop to give it extra scoop, well, extra intake surface area. And slam that back on. That just these are the tabs I was on about, just slot in. Clicks in there. And then you just have these tabs down here. Easy to do. Should be fairly easy. There you go. Start. So all that needs to go on now is the cover, and that's it. Job done. Turbo's in good condition. There's hardly no play. There's no play going back and forth from the shaft or in and out from the shaft, but there's a tiny bit of play which is to be expected from left to right or up and down. I think there's about 1 mil, maybe roughly about 1 mil, which is acceptable. And it's still quite nice and tight, so the turbo should be good. Okay, that's me done. Hope you liked the video. Don't forget to click on subscribe or the like button, and I hope you check your turbos out. Make sure they're in good condition before you go tuning them. Okay, catch you next time. Ciao.